Alright, so let's go over what we got here. We got my jar, got some mineral carbon choke cleaner, just O'Reilly's brand, any kind will work. Well, mineral oil. Take your toothbrush. And there is your cleaner. You've also got some Motul Shine and Go. I like it on the wheels. And there's the plexus. And keep a plethora of clean chamois ready. Clean my hub. Then you just want to take an old rag, well, this is a new rag, and wipe everything down that you touched. Use it to clean the headers while you're here. They're tight. Use your eyes to inspect everything. Get used to what your bike looks like from different angles. You can add just a little bit of cleaner to your rag if you want. Some say I worship these bikes. They might be right. Keep bringing me home, son. Flying buttresses used on the H2 before the Yamaha R1 ever thought of it. Alright, she's warm now, 145 degrees. What?